Hello guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Doki's Villa. This is Krishna and welcome back to another tutorial video. So I came up with this video in which I'm going to show you how to make 3 cute little DIY cards which you can make by yourselves, because there are some times when people want to make things for their loved ones by themselves so that they can make them feel special, but it's hard for some people to make such things because not everyone is good at art. So I came up with this video in which I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to make cards which can be made by anyone, and they are really easy to make. So without wasting time, let's begin with the tutorial video. To make this card, first I'm going to take a brown sheet and fold it into half. Now I'm gonna mark 14 centimeter and the width is 10 centimeters, so this card is about 14 into 10. And I have drawn some hearts, so I'm gonna draw four hearts of different colors: one pink, green, blue and yellow. As you can see, I'm just stenciling the other 3 with the help of the one so that all will be of same size. Now I'm gonna draw cloud on a white sheet, so I'm gonna draw 2 clouds. No need that they are supposed to be of the same shape, so it's up to you. Now I'm gonna paste all these things on this card. So what first I'm doing is one part of the heart attached to the other part of the other heart. So this way I'm gonna attach all the 4 hearts together, and it will give it a 3D look. Now I'm gonna paste this cloud one here, and then this balloon, this hot air balloon in the shape of heart, then another cloud. And now I'm gonna draw the rope of the hot air balloon and the bucket in it. So I've made some ribbons and some sachets, some designs. And as my card is a bit long according to my choice, so I'm cutting 2 centimeters from all the sides. It's up to you if you want to cut or if you want a long card, so it's up to you. And now it's complete. So for this card, I'm again cutting the card into the same dimension, 14 by 10. Now I'm going to draw small hearts from different color sheets. Like I have cut it around 30 to 35 hearts, and now all the hearts are cut. So I'm going to draw a jar on this brown sheet. As you can see, I'm drawing the jar. I'm going to outline it with the help of a marker. Now I'm doing some detailing work in this. And yeah, now I'm gonna paste these hearts inside this jar. So as you can see, I'm pasting them all over inside the jar. I will also paste some cards outside this jar as to show that some hearts must have fallen. So yeah. Write my message. You can write whatever you want, or you can write also that whom you are giving it to. For this card, I have cut a sheet in the dimension of 14 by 10 again, and I'm cutting this printed sheet in the dimension of 13.5 and 9.5, and I'm gonna paste it above the card. Now I'm gonna cut out 3 balloons of the same size from 3 different colors. Color is your choice, you can choose any color of your choice. And I have also made this badge, and now I'm gonna cut 3 yarns of equal length, and I'm gonna paste them at the back of the balloons. Now I'm gonna paste these balloons on my card, as you can see here, and then I'm gonna tie a knot at the end of these 3 threads, yarn threads. And now I'm gonna paste this badge on above it, and I'm gonna write happy birthday on it. It's my message. You can write any of your messages as you want, and yeah, it's done. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel because it's free, and also tell in the comment section that how you like the video. And yeah, if you try any of these cards, so please let me know on my Instagram page Doki's Villa. Do follow Doki's Villa and let me know that you have made these cards by yourself, and I will feature your artwork on my page. And also I have shared the link of the products that I have used in this video so that you can easily find them. So I will share the link of the products on the description below. And thanks for watching. Thank you.